This type of handshaking images are going really viral over Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and everywhere. You can make cool edits with your name on t-shirt. So let's generate this type of images with different names and various characters, and especially if you are watching from India, I have a bonus tip for you. So let's go to screen. So, first go to browser and search for Bing Image Creator. Now click on the first website. From here we can generate high-quality images in different styles. Alright, let's enter something. So I have a prompt to paste here that is available in description. You just copy and paste it here and click on Create option. Now wait for a moment and yeah, we got the mentioned name in prompt and the anime character as well. It looks more than decent, I would say. And you probably wondering what about my name? So go on top and just edit the prompt a little bit. For example, I changed the style to from anime to Pixar. Now change the name. I would select the name Raj, you choose yours. And now click on Create and let's see. Well, Pixar style is better as according to many, but I told about Itachi, but in fourth picture it's Naruto as you can see. Even though the name is very accurate on t-shirt of the boy, but I would like to suggest anime style to get accurate anime character. Okay, let's try something new. Let's change the style, change the boy's name, and change the anime character. Let's try Gojo this time. What? Who is this? It seems like AI doesn't recognize Gojo. Whoops! But is it same with Kakashi? Let's find out. Nope, not this time. It seems like our copy ninja is so famous. Talking about the images, just wow, especially I like the second one. Apart from anime characters, we can create a lot of things. For example, we can create a prayers photo in front of God. This is especially for my Indian friends. Don't worry, I will drop the prompt in description. Wow, it's so great! I didn't even imagine it would so magical. And like the previous times, the name is accurate. Alright, to download this image just click on it, click on 3 dots and here you go. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please press the like button. You can also suggest about the next topic. So don't forget to comment. Bye bye.